Account-based marketing in LinkedIn ads. Now in account-based marketing, you can do cold prospecting. So let's say you have a list of accounts given to you by your sales team or your marketing team, and you can advertise on those set of accounts. You can upload that as a CSV file. Similarly, let's say you can also do an exclusion exercise with account-based marketing. So let's say your customers or for your competitors, for sure, you can exclude them or these very set of companies from seeing your ad. Apart from that, let's say if there are any set of accounts who are a little bit advanced in the funnel stage, let's say who are in the opportunity stage, you have already sent them the contract, or let's say accounts who have engaged with you in some form, let's say liked your blogs or have been on your website. So you can probably upload those accounts and can show them the ads as well. In account-based marketing, I would always recommend to do an A/B testing by also running campaigns using just the LinkedIn native filters, because it may happen that your account list might not be that much big. Also, your ICPs might keep on changing. You do not have a very clear definition of your ICP. So in that way, I would always recommend to always run ads based on the native targeting alongside the account-based marketing as well. Now, when you're doing account-based marketing, you have uploaded a list of accounts, then you can further filter down with native audiences. Let's say job title, job function, or skills. In this, I would highly recommend to use specific job titles as well. So once you have uploaded the accounts in the list, you have started running campaigns from them, you can go to the companies tab and you can look how they are performing. So let's say you can look at their engagement level, what kind of engagement level they have, very high or very high engagement level, medium engagement level, low engagement level. You can look at the organic impressions, organic engagement, paid impressions, paid clicks, paid conversions, paid leads, and all these sorts of information. You can also use filters from here and create audiences. So let's say you can create any audience, any companies who have received 10 plus more impressions, and can then further exclude them from seeing your list. So any companies who have seen 10 plus more impressions in the last 7 days, you can further exclude them from seeing your ad as a dynamic list. So you can create a quick audiences from here. So let's say you can create any audiences, let's say brand engagement. So you can probably create audiences based on like nurture companies engaging with your organic content but has not been searched by your ads. You can also retarget companies interacting with your ad and are ready to become leads. So any kind of quick audiences you can create it from here. You can change the date range from here. Last 90 days it is right now, but you can change it to 60, 37, etc. Also, you can save this as a company list. As I mentioned, you can save this as a dynamic list or as a static list. So let's say any ads who have any company who have received 10 impressions, paid impressions in the last 7 days, you can save that as a dynamic list and then can put them in the exclude category so that they can keep on adding in this list on a rolling basis. So once they are below their threshold, they again get see your ad. Once they are in that threshold or above that threshold, they stop seeing your ads. You can create the list based upon this. So once again, just to summarize, account-based marketing you can do for both for the cold prospective who have never seen your ads, or maybe companies who are in the opportunity stage, or you can even exclude your customers and competitors. Similarly, always run A/B testing with native targeting. You can with native targeting campaigns. Also, when you're doing account-based marketing, further filter it down with job titles, job function, or skills. Job title is the preferred way. Go into the company tab, look at what kind of companies are engaging, what kind of engagement level or those companies have with your ads, and you can even create separate segments and create separate campaigns based on that engagement levels, and can even use an exclusion list from that engagement level as well. So yeah, this is like a quick summary of how you can use account-based marketing in LinkedIn ads. Thanks so much.